Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Also, please leave some feedback. So today I'm going to be working on a gallery wrap canvas, a 16 by 20. This canvas was previously used, as you can see. Anytime that you don't like the painting, you can reuse a canvas. So if you have a painting that you don't like, or don't worry about throwing it away, you can reuse that canvas. You can either wash it off and use it, or if you want to, you can prime it again so that the underneath painting doesn't show through on your new painting, or you can just paint directly over it depending upon the colors. So here in this Dutch pour, I'm blowing out my background, and my background was created with a color called sand, a touch of Van Dyke brown, and I think it's called buff titanium. I mix those colors up to get this background color. Making sure I'm getting my edges, and I didn't create a whole lot of paint, so I have just enough probably for this painting and maybe a little extra for touch-ups. Especially when you're creating or mixing your own paint color, you need to have a little bit extra left over so that you can go back in for touch-ups on the sides or any imperfections. So here I'm torching my bubbles. All the colors that I'm using today will be listed in the description below. The first color I am putting on, I created this with an orange color, and I mixed it with a little bit of red. That's the yellow oxide. That color is called black cherry, and it was a leftover color. Nickel Azo Gold and Iridescent Gold. And this is a phthalo blue. I added some dioxide purple to it. I'm adding a little bit of additional paint around the colors, so when I blow out my colors, they have something to flow on. Helps the colors move. I'm going to blow my background colors across it and then blow it out. So then I start adding detail by blowing out areas of it, as well as I will use a stick maybe to change the direction of the colors or more detail. Sometimes you always don't know what to do next, so I'm just really looking at it. I end up putting some additional colors on the edges to help balance the composition. But I'll be quiet and let you watch the rest of the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.